As per the new update on corporate tax applicability on free zone persons, there are some more updates now on maintaining adequate substance and the right to outsource such activities. In this episode, I cover key points related to maintaining adequate substance and outsourcing. I am Manu Palerichal with you. What I do, simplify tax for you. Welcome to ECIG social media channels. In order to get the free zone tax benefit, one has to maintain adequate substance within the free zone. A free zone person will be required to undertake its core income generating activity, that is CIGA, in a free zone itself to be qualified as a qualifying free zone person. Core income generating activity varies according to the activity conducted by the taxable person. Core income generating activity mainly consists of significant functions that derive the business value for activity carried out. Core income generating activity has to be conducted in a free zone or a designated free zone depending on the activities conducted. That is, in the case of distribution activity, the activity should be conducted from a designated zone itself. The qualifying free zone person shall have adequate assets, adequate number of qualified full-time employees in the free zone or designated zone, and incur adequate operating expenditure in such free zones. The core income generating activity can also be outsourced to another person in a free zone or a designated zone, provided the activities are supervised by the qualifying free zone person. For example, in the case of distribution activity, the activity cannot be outsourced to a non-designated free zone. Qualifying intellectual property will be explained in detail in the upcoming episode. Very interesting point for a taxable person who's having qualifying intellectual property is that this activity can be outsourced to any person in the state or any person outside the state. But only one condition: the person to whom the activity is outsourced outside the state should not be a related party. That means it can be outsourced to anyone in the mainland or anyone other than a related party outside the state. However, outsourcing has to be done with adequate supervision by the qualifying free zone person. That is mandatory. Hope this video will help you to take decisions on substance related matters in the free zone. We will cover the applicability of tax on qualifying intellectual property in the upcoming video. Till then, goodbye. Have a good day.